We are up and open, and good morning,
Good morning,
good afternoon to wherever you are. Good morning, boys. How are we today?
Good morning.
Good.
Good morning. Doing well. Ready
Happy
to
Wednesday. Happy hump day. This is Sam's favorite day of the week. Not for that word, but more for the camels that he loves.
Visiting in
The
Egypt.
hump day. Yes, exactly. Every day is hump day in Egypt, I have a feeling.
Yeah. How's everybody feeling? How's the chat feeling? Andre, good to see you. Hello.
You guys
Mr. Pete.
excited about today? Excited? I don't know.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited. We're gonna be, we'll restate it later here when more people flow in. But
Yeah,
Daryl, Tony, and myself will be together the entire 2 to 4 p.m. session instead of being split up like usual because of the FOMC stuff. So bringing you a little bit more action here in a different way.
Yes.
This afternoon.
You like how Paul just volunteered us for 3 hours straight?
3
there?
hours.
Hey.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I forgot that you guys do the Mag 7 too.
Yeah.
Dude.
No. It's all good.
My bad, man.
We'll probably take a quick break or whatever, but if we need.
Yeah, of course.
That'll be like old times. It'll be good.
Exactly.
It will be actually. It'll probably fly by.
Yeah.
Yep.
Easy.
Especially with the Fed. And we're going to broadcast it. We're going to try to, maybe.
I think
right?
so. I think that we should do like we used to. Yes.
Yeah.
At least the first 20 minutes of the presser.
Yep.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. I mean, we're kind of grinding away here in the overnight. We're up, we're down, we're sideways, we're left, right, center. I don't feel like there's too much direction being had. We're essentially right at the low of day from yesterday in the ES here, and pretty close to the close of yesterday, ever so slightly below it.
What caused that big drop at like
5 o'clock in the morning?
Yeah, what was that?
I don't know.
know.
There was something similar that happened yesterday. Like some early morning dump.
Yes, agreed. I don't know if it was there anything news-wise?
It wasn't. No, I didn't really see anything. Hang on.
Oh, here we go. No, this isn't it. I'm just joking. I'm joking. But investing.com, DeepSeek reportedly using smuggled NVIDIA Blackwell chips for AI model development.
See, this is
hilarious.
this is funny. I think I read this yesterday about how the H200 chips that that the US is allowing China to have NVIDIA sell to them, they're going to be produced in Taiwan. Then they want to bring them stateside for, I don't know who's going to check it out, the Pentagon, someone. They're going to go through these things and like do a kind of like a security sweep of each single one of these, units.
Yep.
And then send it back and have NVIDIA send it back to China. So like, I guess to make sure that there's no extra built-in backdoor stuff or hacking access or what have you. But I don't know, man. I mean, I have a feeling if you can get in, you're going to get in no matter what.
Yeah.
Right? Like, I don't know.
Yeah.
Some of these guys are.
Yeah.
Tejas,
Cherry, good to see you.
Yes. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, Mr. Peeps. Let's see, what's this? Trade like a tiger. Go to Tiger say. Over under on Daryl saying, "Oh geez," during Powell's speech later. Yeah, I know. I want to. Oh geez, or this. Yeah, this guy. I'm already gonna say it right now because I just know. Like, what the hell? The market's gonna be calm, Cherry. Don't worry about it. Excuse me. I don't think it's gonna do anything until we get closer to 2 p.m. Eastern. May just be kind of slow day early.
Yeah, we'll see what happens, what plays out. But yeah, now just going through the headlines here. Yep, I saw that NVIDIA headline, and it seems like, I don't know, kind of confirming what we already knew, right? If DeepSeek was so advanced, then it needs like an advanced chip.
Right.
Obviously, what these people are doing is they send it to an approved country. The server gets broken down, parted out, and then shipped over to China, through third-party intermediaries or whatever it might be. Someone's getting rich on that little trade, I'm sure.
Yeah.
So
Black market Blackwell.
Yeah. I'm just looking back here. Do we have the Oracle earnings yet? I thought they were coming out before the market.
Nah, I think they're at the afternoon.
Are they after?
Yeah.
They after? Okay.
I believe
All right. So ByteDance and Alibaba. This was back at 6 a.m. your time Eastern. ByteDance and Alibaba keen to place large orders for NVIDIA H200 chips after Trump approved exports. So this is just going on based on what we just talked about here with that. So I guess they're going to keep buying. Very limited quantities of H200 are currently being produced. Chinese tech firms are concerned about the H200 supply, seeking clarity from NVIDIA. Okay.
Yeah, but they're concerned, right? But I mean, I don't want to talk about this too much because I know you guys are gonna have to get to talk about it a lot during.
Yeah, it's okay.
But
no, it's okay.
There's that whole situation with China. Like looking to stop too much inflow of those H200 chips because like supposedly China's, even though we're starting to open up the export ideas of those H200 chips, President Xi is just like, nah, he's trying to play hardball like Trump would, and just like, we don't want your chips. So I don't know how that's gonna work.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, they want, obviously the company's relying on Chinese production for sure. So
yeah, exactly.
And Blackwell is the number one chip to have. It's a highly coveted one. H200 is the previous generation, but there's still leaps and bounds ahead of anything else. So H200 is the second one on the totem pole, and then the Blackwell is the one that everybody is looking for. So nonetheless, sales are sales. I mean,
yeah, it's true. Agreed. It's like comparing a first generation stealth fighter to a second. It's like, I'll take the first one still, right? Still kicks butt over everything else we got.
Literally. Oh my God. How much do these things cost?
I don't know.
H200 chip.
I saw something. I want to say 100 grand. Were they each?
40,000 to produce. Oh, you got to buy it in a server. So that's where you add up the numbers. So average GPU server is $320,000.
Wow. I'm off. I thought it was 100.
I think it depends on how they mix and match, but yeah, it's a single chip is $30,000, potentially up to $38,000.
No big deal.
How do I get on that seller list?
Yeah, it makes the RAM sticks look cheap right now, huh, Paul?
Right.
For real, dude. My gosh. So ridiculous. I was like looking up, I was just trying to see what ChatGPT thought of that situation and everything. And I was like, so when do we think that supply is going to start like rebounding to a point where prices will come back down to normal? It's like, yeah, probably maybe, I don't know, 2027. I'm like, cool. Thanks. Appreciate it. Don't enjoy that.
Yeah.
It's like COVID was the same. It took like a year or two, it seemed like.
Yeah.
I mean,
if I had known, I would have stocked up on 40 gigs of or 32 gigs of RAM.
Yep.
2 months ago.
All right, so let's see. I'm just kind of looking through. Probably going to be like yesterday. Not a whole lot of anything early. Well, we do have. Let's see.
I just saw something that the White House posted on X. That looks like
all the stuff he
crazy.
Writes,
I'm not even gonna mention it, but
really,
it's almost like a propaganda thing. It's kind of wild, actually. Yeah. It's like a cartoon thing.
30-year mortgage rates came in at 6.33%. Applications are way up. relative to the previous month. Not way up, but like up, like it was down a negative 1.4 to a 4.8% positive swing. So that's like 7.2. No, 6.2. 6.2. 6.2. I mean, but this is such a it's such a bad statistic, really. It's applications, right? That's applications. That doesn't even mean you're going to get underwriting approval. It doesn't mean escrows are going to go through. It doesn't mean everything's going to close, right? There's going to be a bunch of fallout from that number. It's almost like permits, permit approval when people look at that kind of stuff with the construction.
Yeah.
So, but there's not a whole lot, so I'm just reading it because there's really pretty weak.
Yeah, of course. Gold, I'm going to be looking at gold today, probably. I'm going to be taking a look at silver like me and Tony have been for a good while now. 4223.6. I'm just like setting the levels here that I have. And essentially, we're opening up the middle of yesterday's value range. So kind of boring from that perspective. And I don't have much of a bias on the intraday for gold going into today. Really, I'm really looking for more so like a breakout above like 42.44 or something to the upside. See if we can't get long like a breakout and actually try and retest 4,300 at some point this week. But it's either that or a break. Or honestly, I don't even want to play too much of breakdowns in gold because again, it's like 4,200 is what you're looking for. So it's between 4,200 and 4,300, right? So in terms of like areas that we can break down from in gold in the intraday, I'm looking at like, okay, well, 42.24 was value area low of gold from yesterday's session. If we were to break down below that, previous day's low is only $5 per ounce or $6 per ounce away. Like, so we could just short into that, find some support. And then, so like, I don't really want to short off of a breakdown of value area low. So unless we break through previous day's low of 42.18. And if we break below that, then we only have another like $15 of downside room. And it has to be pretty clear cut in order for me to even get into a short, because that's going to be a more shorter term scalp towards the 4,200 level. I'm not going to try and look for a break of 4,200 since we've been in such a range for a while. So so it's kind of an iffy one to the downside, whereas the upside, I think there's a little bit more room to be had.
Sure. Yeah, I tend to agree there.
Yeah,
but we'll see.
Yeah, I'm just gonna sit and wait. I think early on, see what develops here. I don't know. The ES looks like it wants to maybe come down more. We're currently trading outside to the low, low outside of yesterday's range. We have come back in, kind of came. It's certainly in the value area, well into value area, but we rejected. And we've had kind of like lower highs since kind of bouncing around midnight for me, 3 a.m. Eastern. And that was kind of our high of the overnight, which was like 68.59.25. So kind of like that 60 area, where we had point of control most of the day. So kind of came up in the middle and then retested it, bounced off a bit, and then that was it. Never really could make it all the way back, so I don't know.
And Nasdaq's trading below the previous day's close, so it's looking a little bearish.
Same thing. Yep. Now we're coming down the ES a little more. Yeah, we're still coming down.
Yep. So should be an interesting morning. Definitely got to be careful out there, people.
Yeah, definitely. Tejas talking about GameStop earnings. Daryl, no trading for GameStop.
I know it came out yesterday after the close, but I was joking about it. I didn't trade it.
Yeah, of course. Of course.
These are the things that move the market.
I'm glad you guys remember, though. Pretty cool.
Right now, GameStop is trading at, the bid ask is 2186, 2187. So I think it closed at, let's see, double check. Closed at 23.1. So it's down like $1.30 or something from the close. I mean, it's been in a downward trajectory for a decent bit now, but
yeah,
I don't know who's holding on to GameStop long term, but it's a rough ride, that's for sure.
Diamond hands.
Though it's kind of interesting. I don't have my other charts pulled up so that I could show everybody, but $20 is kind of an interesting level in GameStop. Can't break below that for some reason over the last 2 years, a year and a half.
Yeah.
So.
Interesting. Interesting.
I know. I don't know who trades this still. Who owns it?
I don't
No
either.
idea. No clue. No clue.
You would think the stock would be trading kind of around $6.70 or something based on that.
Yep.
You're an idiot.
The group. Based on the demographic, 6, 7.
Yeah. Yeah.
You just see them. Let's just take it down.
I saw like a parody video yesterday. It's like a group of guys walking into another guy's house, and the guy that's house that they walk into is basically like a recovered addict from saying 6'7".
Oh my
and like it's been like a year since he said it, and then his group of friends, somebody was like, "Oh, how much was that like cheesesteak, by the way," or whatever, and he was like, "Yeah, it was like $6 or $7." And then the guy goes back into full addict mode, and he starts doing this like crazy, and they wrap him up, and
starts
like,
all
no,
shaking and jerking.
That is funny. That is funny.
God.
It's so weird. I never seen it in real life, but I did see it when I was at Walmart this past weekend, and I saw some kid
in the wild
with some hand motion.
Yeah,
They do this.
Yeah.
yeah,
I don't know what it is.
I don't
This?
either.
yeah. It's this.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
that.
I
It's
saw
that.
him
I don't know what the hell.
Yeah,
it is.
yeah. He's doing something like 6'7". I was like, "The fuck is going on here?"
My sister at Thanksgiving dinner, my sister was talking about something at the table at dinner, and she's like saying something about 6 or 7 or whatever. Here's my daughter. She goes, "Aunt Lynn, 6'7".
Yeah.
I'm like,
Oh,
oh
God,
my Lord. And then my sister's she's a high school principal. She's like this. Oh, I should have known.
I know. What will the kids come up with next?
She's like, I hear it all day.
Yeah.
Not so much at the high school level, but I think like middle school and everything. It's just
Yeah.
Absolute
That is
brain
funny.
rot.
I know.
Oh man.
Let's see.
All right. That's what else we got here?
We're like literally right at point of control
back.
in gold. God, it's gonna be. I think it's gonna be a boring morning if I had to guess.
I think so.
If I had to guess. Silver touched above 61.50 we saw yesterday. Maybe it continues its crazy hike higher today. Who knows? It's finding a little bit of support at like 61.25. So
Oh my god. I'm looking at. Are you on Polymarket, Paul?
I have gone on it before. Yes, I've gone on it a few times to look at some things. But
And it's just another gambling site for everyone else that's wondering
What
what
is
the
it?
hell it is. Polymarket.
I don't.
It's
Polymarket?
not gambling. Sorry. It's what do they call it?
prediction market.
Prediction markets. Yes, the prediction markets. Like, will something happen at this point in time? Right.
So can you place bets or no?
Yeah,
Or
it's
is it just
betting.
more like
It's
odds?
fucking betting,
It is.
and
It's
it's gonna
essentially
get
betting.
regulated down to crap, and like because it's betting. Okay, it's
Yeah.
you're wagering money for an odd and like whatever.
Exactly.
But I'm just looking at some of
on
the trending.
anything or like not just sports
On
or all kinds of
anything.
stuff?
Yeah,
It's
like
on any. I'm gonna
Yeah.
read you some. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm just looking at the trending. It's like, will SpaceX's market cap be greater than $1 trillion at the market close of IPO day? Okay. But then there's like, will Time Magazine's Person of the Year for 2025 be a human? Like random questions, right? But then there's like, there's like some crap like, will Israel strike Lebanon on December 9th? Will Israel strike Gaza on December 9th? It's like, what the hell?
Dude.
Like, what is going on here? How about we just say how many deaths are going to come out of Gaza tomorrow? It's just like,
what are we doing? Like, what is society turning into? My gosh, man.
Yeah, they're looking at like anniversary dates of battles or wars and things, and like who's going to retaliate. What are the odds of this? What are the odds of that?
Well, I like the one where it's like, what will Jerome Powell's first, like his greeting be?
Yeah,
and it's like, will it be good morning? Will it be hello? Will it be good day? Like good afternoon? Like,
I would love him to get to the podium and just say, "Fuck off."
Yeah, that's fine. We're not cutting.
That's a 1 in 100,000.
Never happened.
100,000
Never happened.
million.
Could you see
odds,
some meme or someone do it? That would be hilarious.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah, what's the chances that at 2 p.m. Eastern on Wednesday, December 23rd, that a crow flies over
Yes, I
X
know.
light pole?
It's so weird.
Oh, the chances of a crow whatever the noise they make
Cawing.
outside my
Cawing,
fr-
yeah.
cawing